Hey folks, it's Dasheng here. Welcome to my channel. This time I won't share any life tips in United States, as I did several times before to my fellow people. Because I realized that everyone is capable of living a good life. No one actually needs the stupid tip from me. Instead, I am gonna talk about something really non-trivial by going through how to upgrade your Knative software with Knative Operator. Top 3 rules of my channel. I believe they apply to all my videos. Rule number 1, I do not pretend to know things I don't know. I try my best to deliver the information as precise as possible based on my knowledge. Rule number 2, we live in a very diverse world. I respect any creature living on or related to our planet since the great beginning. No matter what I said, I mean no offense to anyone or anything. Rule number 3, I do not censor any of my words. I believe people deserve the freedom of speech and should not censor any content in order to cater for any government, political party, or ideology. If you like it, you can keep on watching. If you don't like it, you can leave at any time. Okay, let's get on today's topic. If you know nothing about cloud computing, serverless computing, or Kubernetes applications, this is not the correct place. If you do not know what Knative is, what Knative is able to do, you need to work on that. Feel free to check on the official documents about Knative and Knative Operator. Knative extends Kubernetes to provide a set of middleware components that are essential to build container-based applications that can run anywhere. It has serving and eventing as two of the major components. Knative Operator provides the capability to install, manage, and configure Knative components. I have been working in Knative Operator for over a year now. I used to scratch my head thinking of how to evangelize this beautiful software. I used to consider presenting Knative Operator at some major conferences like KubeCon, ServerlessConf, or some Kubernetes meetups to make me famous. But after I implemented some key features that make the operator ready for any changes, any challenges, it was already way past due for me to submit any topics to the conferences. You know what? As a global pandemic reshapes the world, everything goes to virtual platform. Why should I still count on any conferences or meetups? Why not just broadcast it in my own channel to people who are seeking for what they need? That's why you'll see me over here. Once upon a time, one Knative Operator version only supported one Knative version. But one of the Knative operators built in now is the support of multiple Knative versions. Knative applies the semantic versioning in terms of major, minor, patch, as a version number. One Knative Operator version cannot support all the Knative versions, so there is a -3 principle for the minor version. The earliest version Knative Operator supports can retrogress to the current minor version -3. For example, Knative Operator at 0.18 supports Knative from 0.15 to 0.18. This feature was introduced in Knative Operator 0.16.0, so you can specify the version of the Knative components with the field spec.version. Tell me, what is your feeling about software upgrading? Come on, be honest. Knative Operator is targeting to make your Knative life much easier. There are many ways to install Knative, but I highly recommend you to give Knative Operator a shot. Knative Operator has some automated mechanisms, so you do not need to worry about the cleanup of the obsolete or useless resources. It is straightforward to upgrade your Knative with Operator by changing the field spec.version in the custom resource. One rule you need to pay attention is that Knative Operator cannot upgrade or downgrade across multiple minor versions. You need to go one minor version up or down in each step. The patch number can be any number as long as it is available in the releases. Before you do any upgrade, make sure you back up the content of your current custom resources. Actually, it means the serving or eventing CRs. As I said, there is a -3 principle for operator to manage multiple versions. So make sure the target operator supports your current version of Knative. Next, I'm going to demonstrate how to upgrade Knative serving from 0.15 to 0.18 with the operator. I have only got 2 terminals for today's demo. I will use the left terminal to indicate all the commands, and will use the right terminal to show the logs. Knative Operator so far only supports ingress, only supports eSteel as the ingress. So first, let's make sure we have a eSteel installed. I have downloaded the eSteel source code over here. So let me just run the command to install eSteel 1.7.4. Let's make sure the eSteel ctl command is available, and then I use the eSteel operator to install eSteel. Okay, eSteel operator is ready. Then I will create a namespace and a eSteel operator CR. Now, eSteel system as a namespace, and then I'll choose the demo as a profile for the eSteel operator. So eSteel should be installed soon. I can show the log of the eSteel operator over here on the right. Okay, as we see, some CRD has been installed. Okay, processing resources. Then ingress and egress. Okay, they should be ready. Let's check the status of the eSteel operator. Okay, still reconciling. Then ultimately we will reach a healthy status for the ECL operator, which means the ECL operator is ready. It's still is ready as well. Let's check the status again. Oh, still reconciling. Should be okay now. No? Okay. Finally, it's ready. Haha. Let's check the status of Istio. Okay, the three, as you see, the three deployments are ready. The reader is still core. There's a still ingress. There's a still egress. Two gateways. Okay, next, we can install the 0.15.0 Knative Operator with this command. So I just access the link, access the official link. Then use this command to check the status of the operator. Okay, so there is one Knative Operator deployment running. Okay, let me switch to the Knative log on the right. Okay, operator is running. Then we install Knative 0.15.0 by creating the CR. First, we need a namespace Knative-serving, and then this is the content of the CR. It's very easy. It's very straightforward. Okay, the log is rolling up. We should ultimately reach a reconcile succeeded. That means the CR has been installed. Knative is installed as well. By the way, I'm using the component Knative serving. Knative eventing works the same as Knative serving, so we just pick serving for today's demo. Reconcile succeeded. Okay. This is what we're looking for. No, it's still rolling up. Let's check the status of the CR with this command. As we see, it is true now, which means the CR is ready and Knative server is ready. Let's check the deployment. Okay, all the deployments are ready as well. They're up and running. So next we can install the operator at 0.18.1 version. Also get the official link as well. Then the log has been terminated because we have a new pod running up. Yeah, since we cannot jump directly from 0.15 to 0.18, and there is an error message pop up over here showing it is not supported to upgrade or downgrade across multiple minor versions. So we have to go one by one. First, we need to go from 0.15 to 0.16. We have 0.15 ready. Then we pick up 0.16.0, as you see over here. Patch number can be, as long as the patch number is available, it should be fine. So we just picked 0.16.0 for our demo. In ultimate, eventually they should have 0.16 ready after the reconcile succeeded. We need a command to check the serving CR. Let's see. Oh, okay. 0.16 is ready. Okay, as 16 is ready, we now able to upgrade to 0.17. Yeah, this is what the CR looks like. We just change the spec of version over here to 0.17.0 as a version of the Knative serving. And this time we should be able to get the Knative serving of 0.17.0 installed. I'll wait for another reconcile succeeded. Just check the status. Okay. The CR shows ready. Okay, reconcile succeeded. So, we're good with 70. And the last step, we change the version number to 0.18.1 as our target. So once this is done, we are now running on top of Knative serving 0.18.1. Now we're expecting another reconcile succeeded. Okay, we got it. Reconcile succeeded. Then we check the status of the CR. it should tell us, okay, 0.18.1 is ready. Then we check all the deployments for Knative survey. Yeah, all of them are ready, up and running. So, in general, that's how we upgrade from 0.15.0.18. Yeah, the rule is that we can only jump up like one minor versions at one step. So from 15 to 18, there should be 3 steps. Okay, that's for the demo. Thank you. So, how do you like the Knative operator doing the upgrade job? Very unusual, isn't it? You probably still have the concern that whether I need to worry about the downtime during the upgrade. The answer is no, because Knative is a Kubernetes application. Kubernetes supports rolling upgrade for the deployment resources, and Knative deployment resources have also zero downtime. Every pull request coming to Knative Operator needs to pass the upgrade test before merge. Upgrade tests verify if there is any downtime during the upgrade. What about the upgrade fails on my environment? Well, there are definitely several things you can do. First, no need to worry about your existing services because Knative Operator never deletes any CRDs. And since the operator supports multiple versions of Knative, you can always roll back to the existing version by changing the spec version in your CR. And don't forget to log your issues with the operator website. Alright, that's all for today's topic about how to upgrade Knative components with Knative Operator. Thanks for watching. If you find it useful, please give a thumb up or like. You can even subscribe to my channel for further videos. So, because follow Dasheng, you won't derail. So, see you next time.